did you know you can connect your Google Sheets into the BigQuery Studio? Here is how you can do that. So I have already data in my Google Sheets, and let's import this data in Google BigQuery Studio. So I have in my Google BigQuery Studio, go to the Explorer section, click on Add, click on Google Cloud Storage, and select your Google Cloud Storage as a drive, and copy the URL of the Google Sheet and paste here. Now in the file format, select Google Sheet, and in the select sheet range, go to the Google Sheet and copy the sheet name here and paste here. Now, if you want a particular range, you can get exclamatory marks and you can just add A to B. But right now we want the entire data, so I'll just keep it as a student score. Now in the dataset, select the dataset. I want in the student dataset. Now give the table name. So I give score and just click on auto schemas. And in the advanced option, there's an option called headers row to skip. I want my first row as my header, so I'll just write 1 and click create table. Now my table has been imported, so if I run the query, run the new tab, asterisk. Now my table has been imported in my Google BigQuery Studio. Now if I change something here, let's say import one row above, 100, IV channel. Now if I run the query again, now my data is got updated. So this is a live update data. I hope you like the video. Follow Ivy's channel.